continuing on with the top rock. And for this next one, we're gonna get into the hook step. So the hook step continues on from our Indian step as we cross forward and back. And now we're going to add a little bit more with step and hooking over. Notice how I cross center line now, and I'm completely sideways. My hip is exposed center. And I come back, and I cross over onto the other side, right? But for this, again, like in all top rocks, heels are up in the ready position, and we're gonna do it with counts. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's try it again, maybe with a little bit of rhythm. So we stay 1, 2, 3, and 4. Boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Nice and easy. So moving right along with this, we're gonna go into doubles. It's a rhythm pattern. So what we're going to do for the doubles, I'm gonna choose one side just to explain to you and not waste time. We go 1, 2, and 3. Switch, 2 and 3. Boom. So when you're talking about staying on one side, it's like a fake out. Once that hook begins, you open and come right back to it and catch. It's a little bit harder to just do it in slow motion, but 1, 2, and 3, and come back to the switch. Let's just try it on the other side. 2 and 3, and boom. Now if we're talking about styling, there's going to be a counter body. So I'm splitting my body in half. Obviously from the lower waist, we're doing the twist. The upper body is twisting opposite direction at the same time, so you're getting like this snapping effect. Snap, snap. So here are some ways to practice that snap. We're gonna change it up just a little bit. I'm gonna turn sideways so you can see me. I'm gonna start with my leg behind, and as I hook, all I'm really working on is the hook step, hook step, hook step. I'm gonna turn just so you can see me. Starting from back here, hook step, hook step, hook step. Bam. Started at the other side, hook step, hook step, hook step. Bam. Okay? If you want to make a little routine out of that with practice, this would be one way that I would suggest to be able to teach your students or yourself how to do it. So we start from the back, and we'll do 3 to a turn, then rock to the other side. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an easy way to get the hooks, practice, so that it doesn't look monotonous. All right, so back to the actual hooks. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Boom. Simple. Now the last one that I want to teach you is the hardest one, is a bonus version. The rhythm that we're going to do is 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3. So it goes in slow. 1 hook, 2 hooks, and here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Other side. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Bam. Let's do that in actual time so you can see what it looks like. Here are some styling points. Once you hook over and you're trying to transition, I do a little loop, then cross over on the other side, circle, and hit. Let's try that again. Here, and here, and. That's a little bit of a styling version. You can clearly just shuffle your feet. It's definitely the skeletal version of it. But once you get involved with it, the loop really gives you a nice flair and a style to it. So practice these, put these together. Something like what the intro is gonna look like. Try to put that, rewind it, Take your time with it because there's so many applications that could be done to it. Thanks.